In this video, I am going to show you how to configure TP-Link TL-WA850RE N300 wireless range extender using mobile phone. For this purpose, we need to connect the Wi-Fi extender near to the range of existing Wi-Fi, then power on the device. Once after power on, we are able to see the Wi-Fi extender Wi-Fi name in mobile. Connect the Wi-Fi of extender, then get the IP address of Wi-Fi extender using the Wi-Fi settings. Here we are able to see router IP address is 192.168.0.254. Enter the IP address in web browser. It will ask to enter new password for login. Enter the new password, then press the login button. Now we are logging the router. Here we are able to see multiple SSID. That means multiple Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi which you want to extend. Then enter the Wi-Fi password, existing Wi-Fi password. Then press the confirm button. Here we can enter the extended Wi-Fi router Wi-Fi name. Here I am entering the Wi-Fi name. Then press the next button. Select any of the option, then press the done button. If you want to change the password of extended Wi-Fi, here you can able to change. Here I am not changing the extended Wi-Fi password. Then select the checkbox and then press finish button. Now the settings will start to apply. Here we are able to see the new Wi-Fi name. Then enter the password of Wi-Fi, extended Wi-Fi. Now we are able to see the internet is connected in the mobile. Now our Wi-Fi extender configuration has been completed. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.